Welcome to Frankensight and our YouTube channel, Ask Frank 15. Today with hping, we are going to look at installation, verbose output, packet generation with TCP flags, and traffic intervals. To install the latest version of hping on Debian Linux, use aptitude. So it'll be apt-get install hping 3. And if it's Red Hat distro, use yum. Yum install hping 3. hping is a TCP/IP network and security tool. It is a security and network tool in that it can be used to send contrived test traffic, such as packet fragments and flooding. Only use hping to test systems where you have been authorized to do so by the owner of the system. With hping, you can generate TCP packets with a specific flag set, such as the SYN flag. Let's look at an example. On the right, I'm setting up a packet capture with T-Shark. On the left, I'm going to send SYN packets to my localhost server, frankensighttest.net. So we have hping 3, the target, SYN flag, port 80, and verbose output. Notice that we have a SYN packet sent from the client, a SYN-ACK returned from the server, and a reset sent from the client. Here's another example. In this example, we're going to set the flags for fin and ACK. We see from the capture that the client is sending a fin ACK, and the server is sending back a reset. Now let's look at traffic intervals. Our first example is going to use a high rate. The interval is going to be 10,000 milliseconds between packets. We have the SYN flag set, port 80, and I stands for intervals. We see from the capture a quick series of SYN packets sent to the server from the client, a SYN-ACK response from the server, and then a reset from the client. Now, another example. This example is going to have a much slower rate. The rate in this case is going to be 1 second. So if you're going to use a second interval, you just use I for the switch. If you're going to use milliseconds, you have to use I and a U before the number of milliseconds for the interval.